Lesson 5D, Understanding DeFi, Connecting Your Wallet. We're coming up on the last couple videos before our Doing DeFi tutorial, but I want to talk about a very crucial concept with DeFi and cryptocurrency as a whole, and that's wallet management. We're going to talk about how to connect your wallet to dApps so that you can interact with these dApps in a decentralized way. Obviously, in order to interact with dApps, like we mentioned before, you need to connect with a wallet. With wallets, there is no login information, and the wallet basically serves as your login credentials. So you're not signing into a centralized server, you're not using a username, you're not using a password to connect to these dApps. You are simply connecting your wallet to the dApp or to the smart contract. Popular wallets for dApp connectivity will include your MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or Trust wallet. And if you're using MetaMask, it's probably best to download the Brave browser and add the MetaMask extension. Now, this is if you're using a desktop or a laptop computer. I believe on mobile you can connect directly to the dApp via your browser, but a lot of this course, especially the tutorial, is going to be based on connecting your MetaMask to the Brave browser on a laptop or a desktop. I think that's the best way to go when you're interacting with DeFi. You want to be able to understand what's going on easier. I think the best way to do that is to use a laptop, and the best way to connect your wallet to these dApps is going to be through the Brave browser. Again, connecting your wallet and your wallet management might be one of the greatest skills that you can have in the cryptocurrency space, because like we mentioned before, every single piece of cryptocurrency is in a wallet of some form. So you being able to interact with your wallet and manage your wallet and secure your wallet is going to be a huge skill in actually having success in the cryptocurrency space, because all the tokens that you're going to be using are in a wallet of some form. So whether it's sending coins from a centralized provider to your private wallet or connecting your wallet to a dApp, you're going to need the skills to understand wallets, and this is why this is one of the greatest skills to have in the crypto space.